Hello friends, I welcome you all to Exam Igniter. Now you might think what Exam Igniter is. Exam Igniter is a concept. It is a step-by-step guide which will help you to crack your competitive exams like banking, SSC and other competitive exam. Now you might think, ma'am, already n number of people are targeting the same exam. Then what different will it make to our life? I will say anything that comes without an competition is just mundane. So here we are there to sow the right seed so that it generate a good plant and a good tree. Now let us think on the topic why we choose SSC and banking as our career. Now what you really want out of career? Many want money, some want an performance appraisal, some want an good growth. I will say the one thing that will help you to keep devoted to the job or say any other field is motivation. Motivation that you will grow to the extent, motivation that you will get a good success, you will get a good performance and a satisfied person. So let's see from where this motivation comes from. Motivation will surely come from job satisfaction. What do you mean by job satisfaction? Take an example. Suppose you come home after a complete work day and you are lethargic mind, empty heart, not responding to your family members, not your friends, and not even partying and any other thing. Always bosses and company pressures, targets in your mind. What will happen? Nothing. Job satisfaction is a thing which will give you happiness. Happiness is a key to success. And with banking and SSC, there are many person who are satisfied. They are getting a good growth. They are getting a lots of opportunities to do. Let's move to the next point. Job security. See, job security. Have you ever heard that banking PO का प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर को जॉब से निकाल दिया? Unless and until they have done something very bad, nothing like this happens. Security means whatever happens, the economy goes down, the other impacted, coronavirus can be an example of it. If it comes, still your job stays in your hand completely. नाउ व्हाट यू विल थिंक कि बैंकिंग पीओ में ऐसा होता है क्या? हाँ, इट इज ट्रू दैट योर जॉब ऑलवेज स्टेज विथ यू. No recession effect. This both goes hand in hand. Job security means whatever happens in the world, your whatever recession or anything, your job will always be with you. Handsome payment. Now everyone at the end of the day want money in their hand so that they can live happily. It is truly said, money is not everything, but it is a major thing. And as Warren Buffett said, money is not everything, but before talking such nonsense, you need a handful of money. It is true. If money is not there, happiness won't be there, the success won't come fast, everything. Okay. And it is once said by Bill Gates, if you are born poor, it's okay. But if you stay poor, it's your mistake. So, banking and SSC sector help you to not to stay poor. You are getting a very good salary, say 50,000 or 40,000 to 50,000. The bracket varies depending upon the cities targeted. So yes, banking and SSC comes with handsome payment, growth opportunity and no promotion limit. Growth opportunity means what? Your graph is going like this instead of going like this, means you are getting in more growth opportunities, and in an coming days with a world of digitalization, growth opportunity will extend. It won't fall down. वो बढ़ती ही जाने वाली है, गिरने कभी नहीं वाली है. And you know who is Arundhati Bhattacharya, a chairman of SBI, a huge bank of India, or say the number one bank of India. She started her career as a probationary officer, and see now she was chairman of SBI. So in this sector there are न्यूमरस अपॉर्चुनिटीज, वो कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाली. मैंडेटरी इज व्हाट यू नीड टू ग्रैब दोस. ओके. ओवरऑल स्किल डेवलपमेंट से यू से कि मुझे जॉब लग गया, मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला, मैं बस अब आराम करूंगी, तो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Constantly you need to develop your skill. Then what will be the difference between an living and non-living thing? We are man, we are living, so we can grasp anything from a simple empty wall also. We can say that wall ka color yellow hai. We can say that wall will help you to write anything, it will help you to hide, it will protect from the rains and all, whatever. Means man can find skill out of everything. Now what, this banking and SSC is the big opportunity to generate your skills, and you need to do that, because once you stop learning you will start dying not physically but mentally. And Nelson Mandela once said, I never lose, I win or I learn. Means कुछ भी हो, हम नहीं भी जीतते तो भी हम कुछ सीखेंगे ना. तो हमारी स्किल डेवलपमेंट हमेशा चालू रहनी चाहिए. और ये खास से होगा बैंकिंग, एसएससी, इसमें बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है जिसमें यू नीड टू शो योर स्किल्स. सो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल डेवलप योर स्किल्स. Leaves and holidays. Who don't want that? You want it because you stay motivated. You want it because you stay active. A passive person is not liked by anyone. And where if you are fresh, you will be always an active person. तो all work and no play make Jack a dull boy. ये हम बचपन से ही सुनते आ रहे हैं. तो हमको मोटिवेटेड रहना है, और मोटिवेशंस मिलेंगी, हमको लीव मिला तो हमारा माइंड फ्रेश रहेगा, हम कुछ अलग सोचेंगे और आके बहुत अच्छे से फिर से काम करेंगे. एंड यू हैव सीन IT सेक्टर पीपल, 12 CL, 8 CL, they don't get all the government holidays, but banking SSC provide you with all holidays. So here we can leave to work, or we can वर्क टू लिव. देर इज एन ह्यूज डिफरेंस. हमको जीना है इसलिए हम काम कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है हम काम कर रहे और हम जी भी रहे. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. हाई ग्रेड. सपोज आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. आई एम एन CBI ऑफिसर एंड माय फ्रेंड इज इन समथिंग इमरजेंसी. व्हाट आई विल डू? अरे आज आई विल हेल्प यू आउट ऑफ दैट. आई एम एन प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर एंड माय फादर्स फ्रेंड इज हाइडिंग समथिंग, और उसका कुछ तो नहीं हो रहा है. व्हाट माय पापा विल से, तू टेंशन मत ले, मेरा बेटा है या बेटी है, वो तेरे सारे डाउट्स रिजॉल्व कर देगा. See, the prestige automatically comes, and I will say that prestige is a shadow of what? Money and power. Lots of competition. Now here we come actual in picture. अब हम लोग इतना हैबिचुएटेड हो गए ना जो पुरानी चीजें, we are not getting to learn new things. Okay, so this is a major problem of all competitive exam. सब लोग रेस में एक ही डायरेक्शन में भाग रहे, कोई दूसरा डायरेक्शन ही नहीं देख रहा है. what you will do, you will need to find the different direction, you will need to do the things differently. If someone is there racing in the race and he is just walking, you need to run fast. Okay, दैट्स द ट्रू थिंग. और कंपटीशन नहीं है. सपोज तुम रेस में अकेले ही उतर गए तो क्या है, तुम जीत रहे हार रहे, द रिजल्ट्स आर अननोन. सो दो दिस हैव एन लॉट्स ऑफ कंपटीशन, बट हियर वी लर्न टू रन नॉट टू वॉक. ओके, नाउ एग्जाम इग्नाइटर ट्रूली कम्स इन पिक्चर. इतनी सारी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर दी, व्हाट डिफरेंट यू आर कमिंग विद. वी आर कमिंग विद एन डिफरेंट एंड वेरी रिफाइंड टीचिंग. सभी पढ़ाते हैं, हम भी पढ़ाएंगे, पर हम डिफरेंटली पढ़ाएंगे कि तुम लोगों को वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझे. द मटेरियल्स एंड ऑल विल गो टू एन ह्यूज स्क्रूटिनिटी. ओके, नाउ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस राउंड द क्लॉक मीन्स व्हाट? wherever you are traveling or you are doing anything like, but you can keep an headphones in your mind and in your ears. We are there to help you. You just listen to us and you will learn out of that. If you are at 9 p.m. in the morning or 9 a.m. in morning, we are always there to help you. recorded lecture. Suppose we are not like to resolve you or something like that, but our recorded lectures always stays with you. You can comment on this, you can raise queries on this, and we'll solve it immediately as soon as we can. Okay, now tricks and techniques, this is foremost important. मैंने पहले भी बोला है, हमको डिफरेंट करना है कुछ. अब हम बोलेंगे कि मैं पूरा ही टेबल ही लर्न करूंगा, कुछ टेक्निक ही याद नहीं करूंगा, तो दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Here we will learn mathematics differently, so we run fast. Okay, a bucket of study material means what? सब कुछ दे दिया, ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स दे दिए, सब दे दिया, पर तुमको कुछ दिया ही नहीं प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, कुछ सॉल्व करने के लिए. वो पॉसिबल है क्या? नहीं. We'll give you mock test so that you can track your performances. We'll give you a practice set. Practice isn't necessary for any competitive exam. Suppose you are working with a very hard topic. Suppose you are working with an direction and distance, और अभी तक तुमको नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट के कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है. So you practice 50 question, 51 will be surely right. Right means पहले अगर क्वेश्चन 3 मिनट में होता है तो वो 1 मिनट में होगा. Videos of different faculty. Of course, anybody, any person has his limitations. मैं हूँ, मैं सब कुछ तो नहीं पढ़ा सकती, but this limitation won't be an stone in your career. We will come with an powerful faculty with an extreme good things. Okay. Hello, now what will happen in next video? We'll discussing about eligibility criteria, syllabus, the cutoffs and all. So we will go to the academics by the next session. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this motivation, please subscribe us and contact us as examigniter@gmail.com, the line which is written in yellow. Okay, thank you.